in here crocheting. My daughter's gift, birthday gift, and Willow brought her little toy over here and put it on my foot and started playing with it. And she got a little growling one. So cute. You're so cutest. I brought your toy over here so you could play with me on my foot. And my toesies. Don't eat my toesies. Mama came over to see what was going on. My little toesies. Oh, it's a little piece of grass. Yeah, he's so pretty. He's a little baby. You got your toy. Hey, pretty little pug. We could film for hours, huh? Yeah, we could. You're so dang cute. You're so cutest. You're so cutest.